Hello there, everybody. This is Thavius Beck, and I'm back with a brand new course, this time to discuss the all-new revamped sampler in Bitwig 2.4. I personally love playing with and manipulating audio samples and just making new things out of whatever happens to pass through my computer. And this is a great new tool for doing so. So we're going to explore all the new features and also some creative ways to take advantage of them. Really quickly, one of the biggest new features is the fact that the sampler now has 3 different playback modes. You have a repitch mode, which works more like a traditional sampler, where if you play the sample at different pitches, you're also going to affect the playback speed. What's nice about this, though, is that you also have this speed knob where you can adjust this to a negative speed, and you can modulate this and kind of get some scratching effects going on if you want to. You have a cycles mode, which is really interesting. This will actually capture specific periods of the waveform and create essentially wavetables. So you can do some interesting wavetable synthesis. You can freeze certain portions of the audio and create little synths out of them. You can also get some very nice metallic kind of shimmering textures as well. So we'll check some of that stuff out. And the textures mode, which utilizes granular synthesis. So this is very useful if you want to do some kind of extreme time stretching with your samples and really just turn them into grain clouds, interesting textures. There's a lot of possibilities. So you have that. You also have the ability to freeze the playhead with this little snowflake over here. And once you do that, you control the position of the playhead either with this knob or with this offset that says POS, that stands for position. There's a lot of new stuff. I mean, we're going to go through a whole entire course on one instrument because it's just that deep. We haven't even talked about the multi-sample mode yet, which I'm not currently looking at. I'll just convert this. Right now we just have one sample, so you see this one big huge block spread across all of our key zones, but we can put multiple samples in here and have them spread out across specific keys, triggered by specific velocities or with a sample selector. And there's so much more. So before I keep talking, let's actually just dive into it and start looking at these things one by one.